Hello and welcome. It's Robin again. I have another video and today is Stitch Fix. So we get a preview for Stitch Fix where we can pick 10 items and then, or they show us 10 items, and out of those 10 items you get to pick 5. So you can actually get a 5 for 5 if you wanted to. I got my preview, didn't like anything, so I let my stylist pick for me, and so she sent me 5 items. So let's see what's in there. So if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. I hope you like this video enough to hit that subscribe button, tap the notification button so you get notified of all my future videos. I do unboxings of lifestyle, clothing, coffee, tea, you name it, I unbox it so you don't have to. Then if you're returning, you know how much I love and appreciate you guys. I really mean it. And I have, in November, I have like many giveaways just to show you how much I appreciate you. And in this Stitch Fix, if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix already, you get a return bag. So if you don't like anything, you just send it in the postage paid envelope. It's $20, which goes towards anything you purchase. And if you keep it all, good for you. And then comes with the nasty price sheet and your stylist card. Now, I've been getting Susie forever, and she's been knocking it out of the park. I usually buy at least one thing, if not all 5. And this is my 98th fix, and I still have Susie. Just to let you know, I previewed the fix, because you can do that. They let you know your fix is on the way, and then you can hit like the checkout button and it'll tell you everything that's in the fix. I could tell you, I was like not happy with anything in the fix. So here's my bundle, and I started going through it, and it was one of those, and I love Susie. I mean, she has really done a great job. I mean, if pieces don't fit you, it's not the stylist's fault. I'm going in between like a large now and an extra large, and that's not her fault. So I've been replacing some of my larges for extra large, and I have no problem doing it because I drop everything on the floor. And if something's too tight, like pants are too tight, it's not the stylist's fault. You just change your sizes. But if it's a style that you would never wear in your lifetime and you put it on your, when you do your profile. So the first thing that I got, and I do wear yellow. I don't wear yellow a lot because it just washes me out because of my light complexion. And I do have something similar. So had I not had something similar, I might have considered it. It's really pretty. It's by Paper Moon, and it's the Eamon Flutter Sleeve Mixed Material Blouse, and it's a large. So it's pretty. I mean, this would be the perfect time to wear it. This is the back, but again, I own something very similar to this. Oh, people going by, sorry about that. So I would not keep that. Then the next thing that I received is the Mason & Bell Tempesta Lace Detail 3/4 Sleeve Top in olive in a size large. I never wear this. What do they call this? Like a boho chic? This is not my style at all. To me, when you have a larger chest line, this just makes it look even larger, and then it like does something to your stomach that makes it look even larger. So this is not my style, and I put this in my profile. So this would definitely be a no. I know if I tried it on, I would just be like laughing at myself. Then the next top is by We Wonder in a large, and it's like a tie-dye. I don't like this material. Let's see if it says it's breathable, moisture, so it might be like a workout material, but it's not. I don't like it, and I know it would hug every bump and lump that I have on my body, and I don't even know if I like the pattern on it. So I would definitely say no before I even tried it on. Then the next top is by Paper Moon, and it's in an orange, which is another color I pretty much stay away from, and it looks like it would be kind of off the shoulder. The sleeves are see-through, which kind of are not me, and I would have to say no. Again, it's just, I can tell, totally not my style. I wouldn't reach for it. Again, it would bring my chest out. It would probably bring my stomach out. And I would just probably be laughing at myself. And then the last were a pair of jeans, and they're by Judy Blue, which I love that brand. I mean, usually those jeans fit spot on, and they're a $9.29. But the problem I had is with the distressing, and especially this distressing right here. I know when you wash it and you wear it, it just has a tendency to rip, and it has it in the other leg as well. And look at how it just, I bought a pair of shorts, and yes, they were like the shorter shorts, but I wear them all the time in the summer just around the house. And when you wash them and wear them, the threads, it's like I have to walk around with the scissors to cut the threads off. And they're not cheap. I mean, the shorts are not cheap. And again, I love these. I like the little distressing on the back, and even the little distressing on the pocket here, which is still kind of ripping, but not on here. And I don't know how much any of this is yet, but I would not keep these. If it didn't have the distressing, I would so try them on, and if they fit, keep them, but just way too much distressing. So I would send these back. So because without even trying them on, I would send everything back, I'm not going to do a try on. It's just a waste of time. So I will go over the prices. That doesn't mean that you guys would not like the style, but the style just isn't for me. So we have the jeans, we have the orange top, which, as I said, I'm not an orange person. I don't like I don't know what this is, and I'm looking for the tag. It's like a spandex. It's more like a workout material, and obviously this body does not work out. 94% polyester, 6% spandex. So it's not even like my color pattern. I would never reach for this. And then the green boho top. And as I said, I already own a yellow top, almost the same. The sleeves are a little bit different. So to go over the prices, my nose is itching from being outside all day filming. The yellow top, the Paper Moon yellow, is $40. So not horrific, but again, I won't reach for it. I own something similar. The Judy Blue indigo, and again, I liked them, but way too much distressing, was $64. The Paper Moon orange top was $46. The workout kind of top, the We Wonder, they're calling it black, was $38, so not a horrific price. The Mason and Bell lace detail in olive was $46. So the total cost of this fix was $234. The buy all discount was $58.50, so it would have cost $175, which any fix under $200 for 5 pieces and including jeans is a great deal. But I would not wear any of this. It's not my style, so hence I didn't feel like it was worth trying the pieces on. So let me know what you thought. Was I wrong for just being like a clothes snob and not trying anything on? What would you have done if you got a box with 5 pieces that just didn't impress you? So leave comments below. You know, I get the fixes all the time, and I say I usually buy at least 1 piece. And now that we're getting into, I should say, like the cooler weather, and we're riding, you know, on the bike more, I wear more jeans. So I am looking for some new jeans since I am putting on a few pounds, and the other ones just don't fit anymore. So please leave me comments. You guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you on the next video.